So just a quick look at Polygon then on the daily time frame. As we can see, we've been chopping around in this big coiling motion for a long ass time. Like and subscribe, by the way, really helps out the channel. Very, very oversold recently. Bitcoin looking bearish, breaking down from support. Obviously, it's been chopping sideways for a while. Everyone's getting super bearish in the market, even though Bitcoin's still maintaining very bullish market structure in the macro. In terms of the micro, obviously, yes, it's breaking down from the range that it's been at near all-time highs. But realistically, it's still in a very, very nice uptrend. You can see altcoins responding fairly accordingly with a huge move to the downside. You can see Polygon actually got a break to the upside out of this bear market resistance, and it was fairly well defined here. We got quite a few days of up only kind of price action, looking just like Ethereum really. Ethereum had a month or two like this, didn't it, where it was just up only price action, smashing straight into our 618 Fibonacci. We come down, we'll lose support again at the 100 moving average. We drop all the way back inside of our bear market resistance to our support of our coiling motion, our big coil. You can see here support, and then support again being tested, and now stuck under our 038 Fibonacci, chopping sideways. We're getting into the apex of this coil now. We're going to be having our bull market soon, in my opinion, once Bitcoin stops messing around. Once Bitcoin starts heading up again, I think a lot of these altcoins are going to start to move. You can see we've not seen that much downside actually over the past few days, despite Bitcoin having quite a significant drop. I think people are getting quite sick now of the crazy let's say fear surrounding just Bitcoin. I think a lot of these cryptos, as you can quite clearly tell, are gearing up for a big bull market. Things looking fine for me. Let's see what we can do going into the next year or two.